Think of a world without your smartphone, your laptop, or even your earbuds. Unimaginable, right? Some gadgets are more than just tools. They're life changers. Today, we're counting down the top 10 tech gadgets that changed the world forever. And trust me, some of these might surprise you. But before we dive in, if you're someone who loves geeking out over the coolest inventions and game-changing tech, you've found your people. Hit that subscribe button for more from Top Picks Network, your go-to channel for deep dives into all things cool and clever. All right, let's get started. Number 1, the personal computer. Imagine a world where computers were colossal machines, taking up entire rooms and costing millions, accessible only to scientists and government agencies. Then, in the late 1970s, everything changed with the arrival of the personal computer. The Apple II, launched in 1977 by Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs, was a game changer. It brought computing power right into our homes, allowing anyone to write, play games, and even dabble in coding. Just a few years later, IBM introduced the IBM PC, solidifying the personal computer's role in our lives. This innovation transformed workplaces, automating tedious tasks and boosting productivity. It laid the groundwork for the internet and the tech-driven world we live in today. And here's a fun tidbit. The Apple II gained immense popularity thanks to VisiCalc, the first spreadsheet software which turned it into an essential tool for businesses. The personal computer didn't just change how we work, it revolutionized our entire way of life. Number 2, the smartphone. The smartphone revolution truly began in 2007 with the launch of the iPhone. It wasn't just a phone, it was a game changer. Imagine having a camera, a computer, and internet device all in your pocket. But let's rewind a bit. Did you know the first smartphone was IBM's Simon personal communicator back in 1994? It had basic apps like a calendar and calculator, but it was the iPhone that really took the concept to the next level. The impact? Massive. Entire industries sprang up. App development, mobile gaming, social media, all thanks to this little device. Communication transformed overnight. Texting, video calls, and instant messaging became our new norm. And here's a fun twist. The original iPhone didn't even have an app store. Can you imagine a smartphone without apps? That's the wild ride of innovation we've been on. Number 3, the Bluetooth. Let's talk about the fascinating world of Bluetooth technology. This incredible innovation, born in 1999, is named after King Harald Bluetooth Gormson, who famously united Denmark and Norway. Just like him, Bluetooth unites our devices wirelessly. Imagine life without tangled wires. Bluetooth has revolutionized how we connect. Powering everything from wireless headphones to smartwatches, it's the backbone of wearable tech, making fitness trackers and earbuds a breeze to use. Plus, file sharing has never been easier. And here's a fun tidbit. The Bluetooth logo cleverly combines the Nordic runes for King Harald's initials, H and B. Isn't that cool? Bluetooth truly changed the game, making our tech lives simpler and more connected. Number 4, the digital camera. Smile. The digital camera revolutionized how we capture memories. Before its arrival, photography was a costly and time-consuming process. Imagine buying rolls of film, snapping your shots, and then waiting ages for them to be developed. But then came the game changer. In 1975, Steve Sasson at Kodak invented the first digital camera. It had a mind-blowing resolution of just 0.01 megapixels and saved images to a cassette tape. What a throwback. This innovation made photography affordable and accessible to everyone, eliminating the need for film and development labs. It even paved the way for social media giants like Instagram and Snapchat. And did you know the first commercially available digital camera, the Dicam Model 1, hit the market in 1990 for a whopping $1,000? Talk about a leap into the future. The digital camera truly transformed our world, making it easier than ever to capture and share our lives. Number 5, the gaming console. Gamers, this one's for you. Back in 1983, when the gaming industry was on the brink of collapse, Nintendo took a bold leap and launched the NES, forever changing the landscape of entertainment. With legendary titles like Super Mario Bros. And The Legend of Zelda, it transformed gaming into a beloved household activity. Can you believe it created a multi-billion-dollar industry? Characters like Mario became cultural icons, even more recognizable than Mickey Mouse. The NES didn't just bring joy to our living rooms, it laid the groundwork for modern gaming innovations, paving the way for online multiplayer and virtual reality. And here's a fun twist. Nintendo started as a playing card company way back in 1889. Imagine if they had stuck with that. The NES was just the beginning of an epic adventure that continues to shape our gaming world today. Number 6. Wearable Tech. Wearables have truly transformed our lives since the days of the calculator watch. Remember those? Fast forward to 2015, and the Apple Watch hit the scene, revolutionizing how we think about tech on our wrists. It's not just a watch, it's a health tracker, a notification hub, and a fashion statement all rolled into one. These devices have helped millions smash their fitness goals and keep tabs on their health in real time, monitoring everything from heart rates to blood oxygen levels. Who knew tech could be both functional and stylish? And here's a fun fact. The Apple Watch actually outsells the entire Swiss watch industry. That's right, Rolex, you've got some competition. Wearables are not just a trend. They're essential tools that have changed the game for health, fitness, and productivity. Number 7. The Walkman. Imagine a world where music was confined to radios and bulky boomboxes. Then, in 1979, the Sony Walkman burst onto the scene, revolutionizing how we experienced tunes. Suddenly, we had the freedom to take our favorite tracks anywhere. This little gadget didn't just change our playlists, it created the concept of portable, personal music. Think about it. Before the Walkman, sharing a song meant crowding around a radio, but with its dual headphone jacks, you could vibe with a friend right there on the street. It was stylish, it was innovative, and it paved the way for everything from MP3 players to music streaming. The Walkman showed us that technology could be both personal and cool. It was more than just a device. It was a ticket to a world where music was always at our fingertips. Number 8, the touchscreen. The touchscreen, what a game changer. Imagine a world where every gadget you touch responds instantly. It all started in the 1970s with Dr. Samuel Hurst, who created the first true touchscreen for data input. Fast forward to 2007 and the iPhone launched us into a touchscreen revolution. Suddenly, our devices became intuitive, making technology accessible to everyone. Think about it. Gaming, education, healthcare, all transformed by this sleek, interactive interface. No more clunky keyboards or buttons, just a smooth, engaging experience at our fingertips. And here's a fun tidbit. Touchscreens first appeared in ATMs back in the early 90s. Who knew that our cash machines were the pioneers of this incredible technology? Touchscreens have truly reshaped our world. Number 9. The GPS device. Imagine a world where road trips meant unfolding giant paper maps, squinting at the tiny print, and arguing over directions. Sounds chaotic, right? Enter the GPS device. In the 1990s, pioneers like Garmin and TomTom changed the game forever. Suddenly, navigation became a breeze. GPS revolutionized travel, making it simple and reliable. It didn't just help us find the quickest route, it transformed entire industries like shipping and logistics, ensuring packages arrive on time. And let's not forget, it laid the groundwork for autonomous vehicles. Here's a fun twist. GPS was originally developed by the US military in the 1970s for missile guidance. Who knew that technology designed for precision warfare would end up guiding our road trips? So next time you plug in your destination, remember the incredible journey of GPS. Number 10, the drone. Drones. These incredible flying machines have transformed from military gadgets into everyday marvels. Thanks to companies like DJI, anyone can now capture stunning aerial footage without breaking the bank. Imagine soaring over breathtaking landscapes or filming your adventures from above, but it doesn't stop there. Drones are revolutionizing industries. Agriculture uses them to monitor crops, real estate showcases properties from the sky, and logistics is getting a boost with futuristic delivery services like Amazon Prime Air. And here's a fun fact: the term drone comes from the buzzing sound they make, just like a bee. So next time you see one zipping by, remember, it's not just a gadget, it's a game changer. From personal computers to drones, these incredible gadgets have revolutionized our lives in ways we never imagined. Think about it. How has your daily routine changed thanks to technology? Whether it's working from home or capturing breathtaking aerial views, these innovations have transformed how we connect, create, and explore. Now, I want to hear from you. Which gadget do you believe has made the biggest impact on our lives? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Top Picks Network for more exciting content. Your feedback is invaluable, so let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for being part of this journey.